the Arab Contractors Company, proud of its past, building its present, aspiring to a brighter future. The High Dam project was a great learning curve for the Arab contractors and contributed to its technical abilities in both building and construction. We thank God for the level of competency we have managed to reach at the Arab Contractors Company. We live in a fast-changing world, which is why the company's vision is to create a more sustainable environment by driving economic development in the countries where we operate. This is all made possible by the company's range of integrated construction and infrastructure services across 29 countries in all fields and specializations. Since its establishment in 1955, the company's diversified fields range from construction to design and consulting, and are supported by a regional network of affiliates and a workforce of more than 70,000 capable employees in the field of construction and engineering. A company of such scope and regional presence must incorporate several sectors in order to achieve its clients' objectives. Through its broad experience, the company has implemented several strategic projects in various sectors and industries, including its bridge projects within the infrastructure sector, the company got a place in the Guinness World Records thanks to its Tahrir Misra Bridge construction project, the widest cable-stayed bridge in the world. We have more than 50 years of proven experience and many achievements in bridges construction. The company is also experienced in the field of roads and transportation networks, and for the first time in Egypt, executed networks connecting the main urban areas to the new administrative capital, as well as smart transportation projects that include the monorail, high-speed rail, and the light rail transit (LRT), creating a new reality for the utilization of public services. The Arab contractors also participated in the construction of the new metro underground lines in Greater Cairo and executed Port Said Tunnels project, which is considered a major national objective towards developing the eastern region of the Suez Canal. The company has worked in the field of improving water and sanitation infrastructure in partnership with other international companies. The Arab contractors implemented the 10th of Ramadan potable water treatment plant, which has a capacity of 1.2 million cubic meters per day, as well as the major phases of Al Jabal Asfar treatment plant, which has a capacity of 2.9 million cubic meters per day. In addition to Alexandria East wastewater treatment plant, with a capacity of 800,000 cubic meters per day, producing electricity from methane gas generated from sludge digestion. In this sector, the company has been awarded multiple international awards in the Guinness World Records. 3 for Bahr el-Bakr water treatment plant, which has a capacity of 5.6 million cubic meters per day, and 4 for the new Delta plant, which is the largest wastewater treatment plant in the world and has a capacity of 7.5 million cubic meters per day. The company's maritime works include El Dakhila Port in Alexandria and Sharq al-Tarfiya Port in Port Said, Damietta, Ain Sokhna and Al Arish ports, which contribute to the economic growth of the country. Our extensive experience in dredging is evident in many of our projects, the purification and deepening of Burulus Lake in particular, the revival of the Library of Alexandria mega project, a beacon bridging cultures and civilizations, as well as the new administrative capital's many governmental, administrative and strategic public buildings, including the Senate Council, Al-Fatah Al-Halim Mosque, and the Egyptian Islamic Cultural Center, which is one of the largest mosques in the world. The company implemented the residential district and central gardens, while the Parliament building was awarded the best government project by the American ENR magazine's Global Judging Competition for 2021. Within the energy sector, the company has implemented national projects in the field of hydropower generation and thermal energy, including the 2 phases of the Met Power Station project and the Suez Power Station. The Arab Contractors owns Al Masara River and Ismailia Marine Shipyards and supports the company's manufacturing and installation operations of large metal utilities and structures. The shipyard's operations include the construction and maintenance of floating hotels and restaurants on the Nile River, servicing the tourism sector. The company maintains a construction services sector comprised of specialized departments and factories. Arab Contractors has a dedicated equipment sector with wealth of accumulated experience in a variety of equipment and support services for the company's project requirements. In the residential and touristic buildings, as well as new integrated cities, the company participated in the construction of New Alamein City and New Mansoura City, which is one of the 4th-generation cities, plus several towers in Maspero project as part of the state plan to develop unplanned areas. And the renowned Galala Coastal Resort, a significant touristic spot in the city of Ain Sokna on the Red Sea. In order to preserve our cultural and historical heritage, the Arab Contractors Company is restoring our ancient monuments, including El Moïse Ladin Ella El Fatmi Street, Al Hussein Mosque, the Hanging Church, the Church of Mary Gergis in Old Cairo, and Synagogue in Alexandria. The company was part of the relocation of the King Ramesses II statue to the Grand Egyptian Museum, which required a high level of engineering and coordination. Our company's success was not limited to the domestic level. The capabilities of Arab contractors have qualified them to undertake numerous projects in Africa and the Middle East, including those that have received international accolades and awards. For example, Julius Nyerere Hydroelectric Power Station and Dam Project, which is a national project in Tanzania and one of the largest projects in Africa and the world. The company prides itself by its employees and their families, availing the highest levels of integrated social and medical care through the Medical Center and the Arab Contractors Sporting Club, which is an integrated sports city that has been awarded many local and African championships. The company's vision of a more sustainable world through comprehensive and environmentally friendly infrastructure can be achieved by effective partnerships that meet the expectations of our customers and create a new reality for a better life that benefits individuals, societies, and nations. The Arab Contractors Company, a history of construction, a legacy of development.